Astrology isn't only about reading, it's about becoming. The wheel of becoming unfolds across questions, answers, and your own written considerations, each one meant to touch a real inner point. You grow more aware of your inner mechanisms and live your birth chart far more deeply, through initiations into each planet, through passages that let you live the energy of real transits, and through crossroads that bring the dynamics of your relationships into awareness. An initiation lets you meet a planet's energy through reflection. Here, your Venus in Libra, in the 10th house. Each step asks a real question drawn from your chart, a moment where that energy is alive. You choose how you'd respond. And a reflection mirrors your choice back, gently moving an inner meter and making a hidden mechanism conscious. Passages work with what the sky is doing right now, live transits. Among today's passages, Uranus opposes your ascendant, a passage already in motion. 3 encounters lived, the integration just ahead. And when you put your own consideration into words, take your time, read it back. Your guide answers you personally, a real exchange that turns the transit into deeper self-knowledge. Each insight can be saved and returned to whenever you need it. Crossroads explore a connection between 2 people. Choose someone, here, Bob, and the aspects you share appear. Step into one together. Your moon in Leo opposing his Saturn in Aquarius. A turning point you explore side by side. A relational scenario unfolds, a real moment between the 2 of you. They listen, you respond. You choose how you would meet their coolness, and the reflection mirrors the dynamic back, showing what this crossing asks of each of you, side by side. Take it at your own pace. Every step invites you to pause, reflect, and become.